Hello guys! I'm super excited because today I'm gonna show you how to do a film-worthy special effects makeup for a Viking character. I even did my braids somehow. And today I'll try to recreate a character's makeup from the Viking series. I chose a girl called Porunn, you probably remember her. She's a fierce shield maiden, but unfortunately she was very unlucky to get severely wounded. So I want to start with creating an actual shape of my future wound. And for this I'm gonna use a lip liner pencil. It's a pink. That's enough for now, that's just a shape, so I will build it up later. Now I want to try to make a bruise under my eye. Well, next time I probably should just keep my concealer and I would have the same eye. So I think I made it a little bit too intense, but I think it's kind of appropriate because it's a very severe wound made by a sword, and I think it's still an early stage of healing. Now I'm going to work on my cuts to make them a bit more realistic and like 3D. At least I'll try. I imagine that she's got some sort of laceration, a very deep wound for this part, so it should look deeper and more serious. And that's why I want to add some black color here in the middle. Now let's try to use a bit white in the edge, just to give it more volume. Okay, I also want to add some irritation to the wound because it's fairly fresh and it might be get infected. Okay, at this stage it already looks pretty creepy and scary. There's also colorium that I want to use and see if it gives me some more 3D effect. I feel like there is a bit too much purple shade on my wound, so I'll definitely add some fake blood. And first I'm gonna use coagulated blood. Alright, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!